You don't have a money problem. You have a pattern problem. Every month, the same story repeats. Money comes in and somehow it disappears. No growth. No control. Just stress. And the truth is hard to hear. It's not bad luck. It's your habits. Right now, you're making small mistakes that feel harmless. But over time, they're quietly keeping you broke. You tell yourself, it's just a small expense. A snack. A random online purchase. A quick upgrade. It feels nothing in the moment. But these small leaks, they drain your future. You scroll for hours, comparing your life to others. You see what they have, and you feel behind. So you spend to feel better. Not because you need it, but because you want to escape that feeling. And then there's the biggest lie you keep believing. I'll start saving later. Later, when you earn more. Later, when things are stable. Later, when it feels easier. But later never comes. Because your habits don't change automatically. If you can't control money when it's small, you won't control it when it's big. At some point, you have to stop blaming your situation and start facing your decisions. You are responsible for every rupee you spend. Every choice is shaping your future. Right now. So here's what needs to change. First, you need awareness. Track everything. Every expense. No excuses. When you see where your money actually goes, you stop lying to yourself. Second, you need control. Stop spending based on emotion. If you feel the urge to buy something, pause. Give it time. Most impulses die if you don't act on them instantly. Third, you need discipline. Set a rule: you save before you spend. Not what's left over. The first portion goes to your future. Fourth, you need discomfort. Yes, discomfort. Because growth never comes from comfort. Saying no to things you want builds power. Fifth, you need a purpose. Money without a goal disappears. But money with a mission stays and grows. Know why you're saving. Make it real. And finally, consistency. Not one day. Not 1 week. Every day. Every decision. That's how you change your life. Because this isn't just about money. This is about who you are becoming. A person who reacts, or a person who controls. A person who escapes, or a person who builds. Right now, your actions are voting for your identity. And your future is watching. You don't need more money to start. You need more discipline. So start today. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Now. Fix the mistakes. Take control. And become someone who is impossible to keep broke.